My name is Benjamin Hardman. I am a photographer. Photography is often a solitary profession. Unique scenes in nature are something that I truly value. Heading into the vast wilderness puts you at the mercy of your surroundings. It can sometimes be challenging. I'm always yearning to explore distant lands. There can be no one out there for miles. Those solitary moments in nature can be intimidating, but they often come with great opportunity. Having a capable vehicle is integral for these journeys. A vehicle that I can trust, a vehicle that can endure the terrain. The vehicle is Jimny.